Hey guys, welcome to today's video, which is a makeup tutorial inspired by the holiday season. For moisturizer, I use the Nivea Soft Moisturizing Cream. I really like this product. It's kind of thick, so I think it wouldn't work for everyone, but it's cheap and it does the work for me. For primer, I use the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer, Healthy Glow, Pore Minimizing Effect. Again, it's cheap, it does the work, it gives my skin a little glow, it hydrates my skin, and I really like it. Another primer I use is the NYX Pore Filler Primer, just around my nose, under eye, forehead, and chin area. For foundation, I use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Ivory, but a less product is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation in Gold Beige, and I just apply it with a beauty blender. For concealer, again, the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Porcelain or the L'Oreal Infaillible More Than That concealer in the shade 328 Biscuit. For powder, I use the Fit Me Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in 115 Ivory. This is how the skin looks with the bare minimum, and you can clearly see my acne, so yeah, that's wonderful, but we all have it. What can a girl do, right? For bronzer, I use the Catrice Sun Glow Bronzing Powder in the shade 135. For blush, I use the Primark blush in the shade Rosewood. For eyeshadow, I use the James Charles Morphe palette, which is literally my baby. I love it so much, but a less expensive palette you can get is the iHeart Makeup Chocolate palette, which you can pretty much build the same look that I did with the James Charles one. On the James Charles palette, I use the shade Flashback to set the lid. After that, I use the shade Code James, again, just to set the lid, but this time it's kind of like a brownish color. It's a really pretty color, and I find that it sets the lid beautifully too, so you can put more shadows on top of it. After that, use the shade So Good, and I use a little bit of setting spray just to make it vibrant, and I just apply that on the inner corner of my eye, in again both eyes obviously, and I just love how this stands in the color. The color is stunning, and if you shine a light into it, it really shines, and it's so bright. I love it so much. After that, I mix the shade Rusted and You're Kidding on the outer corner of my eye, just to give it a little more color and definition. I go back on the So Good shade just to make sure it is as vibrant as I can get it to be. I find it that sometimes when I apply a shade after that, it kind of hides, so I go back and do it again. And I finish with the shade 10% off again on the outer corner of my eye, just to make sure I give it a pop. For mascara, I use the Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara Waterproof. It's so good. I love Essence mascaras. They're so cheap and they do a wonderful job. So for my brows, I don't use a pencil, I just use a gel. It's Essence Lash and Brown Gel Mascara, just to make sure they stay in place. It's a clear mascara gel, and I really like it. For highlighter, I use the Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter Metal palette. I love this so much. This is one of those things that I wear every single day. I can't get enough of highlighter. It's probably my favorite makeup product ever. For lips, I use the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in Something Different 15. It's such a gorgeous color, and sorry I am blocking your view with my mirror, but I didn't realize that at the time I was filming. Sorry about that. For lipstick, I use the NYX Cream Lipstick in shade 550 Cocoa. It's again such a beautiful color, and these two go so well together. They're my favorite combo ever. I love the nudes, and these just for me just work so good. Just to finish off, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray just to make sure everything sets in place. This is the final look. I love this look. I wear it a lot actually, and I always get compliments, so I decided to film it, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the look as much as I did. If you did, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you did enjoy it and if you recreated yourself. And yeah, here's a montage of me dancing and vibing to songs because I just love music so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you.